क्या कह रहे हैं, सीधा रुख करते हैं।
Of growth and prosperity of our brothers and sisters in South Asia. The successful launch of the South Asia satellite marks the fulfillment of that. With this launch, we have started our journey to build the most advanced frontier of our partnership. With its position high in the sky, this symbol of South Asian cooperation would meet the aspirations of economic progress of more than 1.5 billion people in our region and extend our close links into outer space. Excellencies, I am immensely grateful to my fellow leaders from Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Maldives and Sri Lanka for joining me today to celebrate this launch. I also deeply appreciate the strong and valuable support extended by your governments, without which this project would not have been possible. Our coming together is a sign of our unshakable resolve to place the needs of our peoples in the forefront. It shows that our collective choices for our citizens will bring us together for cooperation, not conflict. Development, not destruction. And prosperity, not poverty. Excellency, this is first of its kind project in South Asia. And through this project, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Sri Lanka and India will together achieve effective communication, better governance, better banking services and better education in remote areas, more predictable weather forecasting and efficient resource mapping, linking people with top-end medical services through telemedicine and a quick response to natural disasters. Space technology will touch the lives of our people in the region. The satellite will provide services specific to individual countries as per their own needs and priorities, as also common services. In achieving this goal, I congratulate the space science fraternity of India and in particularly the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. The ISRO team had led from the front in developing the South as per the region's requirement and flawlessly launching it. Excellencies, as governments, our most important task is to secure growth, development and peace for our people and communities. And I am convinced that when we join hands and mutually share the fruits of knowledge, technology and growth, we can speed up our development and prosperity. I thank you all for your presence and congratulate you once again in our shared success. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Pradhanmantri ji, sir.
विश्व के वैज्ञानिकों को बधाई दे रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, और भारत सहित पड़ोसियों के लिए ये मौका कितना अहम है ये बता रहे थे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी। तो स्पेस में इंडिया की नंबर 1 उड़ान और उसी पर वैज्ञानिकों को बधाई देते हुए देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी।